Colorado is an awesome place to live and a great place to raise a family. It's a small enough city where you feel like you know everyone and where people still talk to their neighbors. It's also big enough to catch a great concert or go to a Broncos, Nuggets, Rockies, or Avalanche game with friends or family. Denver is one of the only major cities where you can finish work on a Friday and in 45 miles be up in the mountains to enjoy a long weekend of skiing, snowboarding, fly fishing, kayaking, mountain biking, or even hiking a 14er.
Did you know that according to the Denver Office of Economic Development, Denver has outpaced the average national population increase since the 1930s and is anticipated to almost double from 2.7 million to 3.9 million people by 2030, with 800,000 new jobs being created. The natural beauty of Colorado, combined with the progressive lifestyle and one of the nation's most highly educated workforces, is fueling infrastructure, cutting-edge economic and population growth.
I hear the train coming, it's rolling around the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folds in prison.
T-Rex and Fast Tracks at $4.7 billion is the nation's largest infrastructure project under development, combining modern highway with a light rail system. DIA, or Denver International Airport, is the nation's 5th busiest airport with a planned $650 million expansion.
Denver's bioscience and natural fuel industries are on the forefront of the nation's economy. Fitzsimmons Bioscience Campus, upon full completion, will be one of the largest in the world. Currently, it includes Anschutz Medical Campus, Colorado State Veterans Home, University of Colorado Hospital, the Children's Hospital and Research Center, and the future home to the Veterans Administration Hospital, with future development in progress, which is projected to add an additional 55,000 jobs to the Colorado economy. Colorado has an estimated 1 trillion barrels of oil in shale, an amount nearly equal to the Earth's entire proven oil reserves. Colorado also holds the second largest proven natural gas reserve in the nation. This industry is rapidly growing in demand and already provides the state with over 70,000 jobs and $135 million to Colorado's state budget annually.
Some areas, such as Florida, Las Vegas, and Phoenix, that were increasing 20% or more a year, are now experiencing that same depreciation in today's real estate market.
They used to tell me I was building a...
It's no secret that our nation is facing the deepest recession since the Great Depression, and certain real estate markets have plunged over 50% from their peak. The real estate market is not the only area that concerns investors. We have a volatile stock market that has crushed investor savings, a floating bond market, and global debt problems that cause investors bearishness. Every day, I hear ads generating fear into investors by advocating inflation and urging them to hedge their risks through owning gold.
Once I built a railroad.
Millions of investors across the globe have lost their life savings by investing in something they didn't understand, they couldn't see, and they couldn't feel. Their returns were relying on someone else's decision-making, an MBA from an Ivy League school, and greed.
there is an opportunity. It is positive cash flow rental real estate in a city that has the economic indicators of potential for appreciation and growth. It's modern highway and light rail, Denver International Airport, a leading bioscience industry, a leading natural fuel industry, population growth, a desirable lifestyle, one of the nation's most highly educated populations.
When we kiss, they're perfectly aligned. I have to speculate that God himself did make us into corresponding shapes, like puzzle pieces from the clay. True, it may seem like a stretch, but it's thoughts like this that catch my troubled head when you're away, when I am missing you to death. You are out there on the road for several weeks of shows, and when you scan the radio, I hope this song will guide you home. They won't see us waving from such great heights. Come down now, they'll say, but everything looks perfect from far away. Come down now, but we'll stay. I tried my best to leave this all on your machine, but the persistent beat.
This opportunity is limited to qualified investors. All due diligence, purchasing, and rehab is done internally, and we hold these investments in our own portfolio with no debt. We're fully invested in these properties and strongly believe in their fundamentals. Demand is strong, and our clientele is exclusive. We work with savvy real estate investors who realize there is a small window of time to take advantage of this historic opportunity. Join them.